Hi guys, what's up? We are back. For those of you who are new, Jess and I do a bunch of giveaways. Some things are our stuff that we've already used and they're in mint condition, and other stuff is like brand spanking new. Marcelo?
We have a small child.
Yeah. So, for those of you who are new, if you like seeing giveaways, definitely subscribe, turn on your notifications in case you love our videos and our giveaways, then you won't miss out.
Which you will.
Yes. So without further ado,
this is a mixture of everything, by the way, guys. It's like everything from gym wear to casual wear to going out wear.
Yeah.
So you'll get a little mix of everything.
So the first one is...
So this is a brand new dress from Luna Janie. It's a small, but as you can see, it
actually runs big.
Yeah, which is why we're not keeping it because it doesn't fit.
And you can also buy this on Amazon. I'll have the Amazon link down below for you guys. We have an affiliate link for it, so yeah.
It's really beautiful.
If you want to buy through our affiliate link, you can.
Or if you're plus size, this will be perfect for you.
I think it's such a great business dress.
It is, it's gorgeous. Then we have this really cute plaid sweater pullover. It has a hood. It's a hoodie. It has 2 drawstrings here. It's really cute. Pockets.
Freaking adorable and so comfy.
Next we just have this little tank top for working out.
And red's Jess's favorite color.
Yeah, so that's why it's
That's
here.
why she makes me wear it.
I know, I told her to wear it.
She did.
Oh, this gorgeous sexy dress.
It's so comfortable, but my boobs are just too big for it.
It's called Hot and Delicious. Seriously, I'm not joking.
Because you're gonna look hot and delicious in it.
She falls out of this dress, but it's so sexy and it's long and it's good material. It's soft.
So comfy.
I just threw this on here because I cut the hangers. This dress is very sexy, but it's way too short, so that's why I'm getting rid of it.
It's good to throw it over like your bathing suit.
Yeah, you can wear it over exactly like that, or leggings. This is a little sweater in it's size small. It has pockets on the side. It's really cute and comfy.
Like leggings.
Yes, that's exactly how I used to wear it with leggings.
Yeah, I remember you.
Yeah, this is a baby dress. It's tie-dye material. It's one of those dresses that look better on than on the hanger. It's very, very flattering.
Very cute. I think with some silver hoop earrings and like a jean jacket. Oh my god, so cute.
Now this tee is not a fan of.
I can't stand this style.
But it's
I can't stand this print.
They're mine. It's army pants, and I love
it.
Pants. I've actually never worn them.
I'm just not that cool, you guys.
They're just too small on me. That's why I'm getting rid of them. But they're stretchy, so if you're more petite, they'll fit you really nice.
Yeah.
You're into that street style.
This print is just not my style. I've never really been to the army print.
I don't know, I like to switch it up sometimes.
A lot of people love it.
This is another dress I got from Victoria's Secret. It is a little big on me, which is why I haven't worn it, but it's really sexy. It has that little lace detailing on the front. I love the color.
It's stretchy, it gives.
It does. Very pretty.
But is it, you said it runs big?
Yeah, it was kind of big on me.
Bummer. This is brand spanking new. Just
you know
said it.
What?
Huh? You want to keep that?
Yeah,
I think you should.
I think this might work for something.
She has an idea. She has somebody in mind. All right. So
this is a brand new dress. It is by Fashion Nova. It's brand new. This was, I don't know.
It fit funky.
It didn't fit
actually
right
the
on
cut
me.
looks funky.
Yeah.
This right here, it looks a little too tight.
It was something that didn't look right. It didn't look right.
It's in medium. This one is about $34.99.
It's really sexy though. It's
oh my god, it's so sexy.
It's perfect.
Because it's like solid and then see-through and then solid. And it's like, what the heck are you gonna wear this with?
I was gonna wear it over my bathing suit.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
Yeah.
So cute. This one is not gonna go in this box, you guys.
Unless you don't reach out to us.
Right.
Do you remember? I don't know if you guys remember. It was a video we did. It was a set. It had a skirt that went with it, but we just couldn't find the shirt. Well, here's the shirt.
I gave mine away. Oh my god, I'm sorry, you guys, I'm falling out. I gave mine away, the set, but together. But just as you guys remember, yeah, definitely we couldn't find it. But she finally cleaned her closet.
Yes, and I found it.
So if you reach out, you can get the top to the bottom. But if not, we'll just give it away with this giveaway. All right.
Perfect.
All right, you guys. So there you have it. Don't forget. If you do now, like and subscribe, comment down below, and let us know what was your favorite piece. If you didn't write in our last video what your New Year's resolution was for this year, go ahead and leave that down below because we're very curious. Yay! Otherwise, we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye!
Love you.
That's it, Marcelo. Now you can talk.
He is the best little boy in the world.
I love you.